Earth is between two fronts. It's incredible that the most recognized science, especially astronomy, until today has not even been able to define the cause of the terrestrial climate breakdown, both warm and cold and so on, which have been gradually gaining increasing at respective seasons over an incomprehensible way. And it is not a science and common society wrong think that humanity is only guilty of having it caused by his negative culture, because it has only been partly. And thus would not have been though, so this had to happen, because such extreme situations are due to external astronomical causes, which this author, now revealed as New Galileo's reincarnation and more, has long conceived and exposed to the world, together with many other incredible achievements on various most important scientists' items, neither achieved by anyone else in human history, without science or government authorities in the world even deign to consider, analyze, and recognize its irrefutable legitimacy precisely confirmed. He now praises the iPad. Anticipate predicting of today more impressive than ever over weather, as winter is now being revealed in Asia, Europe, North America parts and other relatively covered regions, which already are experiencing the never-seen low of freezing conditions and heavy snowfall of more paralyzing activity, has caused destruction and human death, but that science and common humanity itself not knows why. And it is as this author revealed and exposed even in videos, and due because to an established but now revealed and still by all ignored astroplanetary relativity's phenomenon. Earth planet has become a victim of the extreme effect of two different fronts of powerful effect emitted by the sun and a cold huge brown-colored planet, which, being the Earth between two huge bodies, and by explicit causes of negative attracting on elliptical spin, it has made that the Earth at winter gradually move away from the sun and so closer to the cold planet, to logically make possible greater negative effect and coldness situation, because as like a cold star sun, coldness is reflected in essential waves very similar to warm also reflected by the sun to Earth, and most notably in summer, because the Earth is also of same way in its elliptical rotation, being inevitably by that powerful attraction force pulled and approached the sun. To explain why then even the increasingly intense summer heat is also because of solar storms, which by the cold planet are similarly also at winter farewell, and which, as you can understand, these extremes elliptical Earth distances for each outer body are not caused unlimitedly, since there is a risk therefore that if approached too close to the sun, life could become extinct, as well otherwise would be if more of the sun away and so close to the cold planet, causing a whole glaciation, and neither can be permanent, but as it should be, obviously, passing, as well as has been inferred and explicitly stated this author on complete phenomenon, which if not completed this past 2012,
then it meant the year of started apocalyptic period of the last four remaining, in which will be recorded and we will face a worse never-seen general phenomenological negative situation, as we are already beginning to suffer without much surprise, and more likely to occur at 2016. And already with another phenomenon and event occurred in the Vatican, even notified as superior warning of the same, that together with this conundrum is to have made happen, and someone specific should be able to notice, elucidate and relate, consider as one of the clear warning signs, so relative to the world SN.
But for everything that is unlikely to be indefinitely, because this corresponds to a discovered given cycle, with well-defined relative consistency of a superiorly system established for conscious objective periodic cleansing of planets with life, and whose most complete information, despite not being considered to analyze by scientific nor governmental authorities. On this author turned blind and deaf for possible accreditation. However, it is publicly exposed and ready for total satisfactory world knowledge.